Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back, we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down again and localize the screen timeout option and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest time option, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and after getting back, maybe not like that. After getting back, you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.